Hello, I am Mr. Ikechukwu, your teacher. Today we are going to learn Igbo alphabet and how to pronounce them. It is time to learn the Igbo alphabet and how to pronounce it. Anyị ga-akpọ ya dịka esi akpọ ya na olu Igbo, that is where we pronounce them, how it is being pronounced in Igbo language. We have 36 Igbo alphabets, and here we have capitals and small capitals and the way to write them, but we'll be using the capital letters for us to see all of them and how to pronounce the Igbo alphabet. Today, we will also use some of the words both in English and some few in Igbo that could help you to position your lips and your tongue in a way and rightful way to call it, so that you can learn how to pronounce the alphabet so clearly and be able to learn.
Okay, let's go.
Welcome back. Now is the time for us to start in learning these alphabets. The first one is A. A sounds apple. A, apple. B. B, just like you want to call beats. Beats. B, B. G. G, just like you wanted to call someone's name Charles or Charlie. G, G. D, 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 D. You can remember by using D, D, D to call it. E, egg, E, 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 egg. Stress your tongue in that way. Egg. Fe, fe, fish. The way you call fish. Fe, fish. Ge, gear, ge, ge. For you to call G. Ge, ge. Be, Igbo, be. In between I and O and the last is be, Igbo, Igbo, be. Ge, ge, in between I and E at the last. A, we, dwindling. Gray, gray, gray. GW, starting in gray. House, hey, hey, house, hey. That is for H. A, that is for I. A, eat. The way we want to say eat. A, A. The round one. A. Now it's not A, but A. A, eco or eco. Eco means concubine, but eco means cup. But this one is A, eco, concubine. G, G, jam, jam, G, just like jam. Care, 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 not care, care, kind, care, kind. Be, 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 sounds in form of be, 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 ebere. Be, 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 que, quiet, quiet, que, que, inside of your tongue, inside of your mouth, que, quiet. This one is like, L, le, L-I, le, M, me, made, me, ne, news, ne, news. So when you are following all these words in it, it will help you to be able to remember and be able to pronounce. Nge, song. Nge, ng, ng, song, song. Nge, 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 song. Remembering it will help you. Want, we, want. Nye, nye, venue, nye, venue, venue, nye. O, orange, orange, orange. R, now it's not O, R because of the donated sound in the bottom. R, cool, fire. P, pop. P, reduce. Re, stresses your tongue. Reduce. C, sell. Sell. Share. Yeah, share. T, not T. O, spoon. O is the second next one. O have a dot in the mouth. This one is O, but this one is O. Ulo, house. The other one is V, value. Value. We, W, way. And the other one is ye, yellow, ye. And the last one is Z, not Z, zero. So following all this pattern, we'll be able to pronounce Igbo alphabet, making progresses in your Igbo learning classes. So I will commend all of you to be able to go back to the video, follow it as many times as you can, practice to call them, and make a possible effort in calling all of them. Make it a priority to learn it, be able to pronounce and call them using all those wordings that can be able to help you. See you in my next video. We'll be talking about other things like udome, that is vowels, and the rest of you. Have a nice day. Keep practicing and keep learning Igbo language. Cheers.